Hi guys. Right now, my aunt is leaving, and I'm gonna show you my family. Alright, sorry if you can't hear me, but I'm kind of embarrassed. Just kidding.
You had a nice birthday?
Yeah. So here we go. Hey Dad, can you video me? Daddy! Hey Dad, can you video me? Can you video me? Real quick. Just hold the camera. Just hold the camera and video me. Just like this. Just video me. Right on the deck. Right here. Just video me. Because I already started it and everything, so.
Did you already start?
Yeah. So just video me. Oh my God.
Maybe Parker will eat this corn. Hey Parker, want a corn? Go get it.
Hey Julie, come down.
Alright, I stopped it. Take a break.
You did not.